I'm just talking me shit. You know me? Give me that. I gave it all for fantasy. Is anybody gonna remember me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These are game rules I can't lose. When it's all said and done, will I still be cool? Spent like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'ma spend profiling? She come in and compliment my closet. Fuck her on the floor like I don't give a fuck about it. Your judgment get clouded when you clouded. My opposition wish I'd stop smiling. My family wish I'd stop wildin'. I'm still on the east side smoking with my OG. Cause they the only ones that really know me. I was fucking superstars when I was 19.
Kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Come buy groceries!
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. You need anything? Just come ask.
Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you like to
No, this is gonna piss dog eyes off.
I got all the best brands! Over here! These are basic...
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog guy said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
I will pay.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. But dog I won't be happy.
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a bak choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass! Show him what you're made of! Come on, get back up!
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf.
Hello? 冇晒我啊！
你有冇攞籌啊？
You don't fuck with anyone under protest. You go tell Dog Eyes this market belongs to Winston.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here. People need to know you're one of us. We got an image to maintain. Only the best brands. People gotta know you're successful.
One of everything, man. What do you want?
These are the latest. Perfect for you. Come again. Want some clothes? Thanks. Come again. Excellent. Want some clothes? Come again. Call me if you need further help
Get back
with
to
your
Winston.
wardrobe.
Hey, you want the ice cream? You look like you could use a little.
名牌款式，街坊價錢，今日開始一都冇咁睇啊！特價重分抽。
Don't buy anywhere else. Hey, you want a little refreshment?
Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
You want to tell Harry what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh?
哥仔啊，平啲得賣你睇，價錢，名牌嘅質素啊，大熱就冇，咪執輸啦，真係啊，聽日嚟都冇啊，100蚊3件，買都買嚟睇下啦，咁講去邊
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yes. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. We should probably be gone before they get here.
Oh, I see. 有上進心。
Hey! You want food?
人對唔住You want some? You gotta have that. 你執輸啦，最後今天。
You see the new guy around?
Wow!
to you? Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out.
No！ 唔好要我講第二次啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我成日都多過你前米啦，我知我係啱嘅。
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want.